I have many shout-outs, Erin, but we do have some lovely friends who we want you to meet, and it is Faruk and Faris, and they are going hard, working on their Te Reo Māori, and just every day, iara, working really hard to learn new kupu and new things. So let's say morena to them this morning. Morena!
Hello guys!
Oh, you guys are so cool. Now, while you're here on What Now, would you like to introduce yourselves?
Kia ora everybody. Yeah, so I'm going to start off with my tepeha. So, ko arafa te maunga, ko Rafidin te awa, ko Iraq te waka, ko El Saudi te uwi, ko Muhammad te tangata, ko El Farouk te hau, ko Faris te hau. My name is Faris.
Oh, thank you so much. That was amazing. That was beautiful. Aotearoa. And you mentioned a couple of kupu there, a couple of different your tangata in particular, Mohammed. So tell us about where you're from and where your whakapapa is.
So me and my brother were born in New Zealand, and our whakapapa is in Iraq.
Oh, okay, that's so nice. Oh, can I say, marhaba?
Yeah.
Is that hello?
You got the thumbs up. That was good.
Oh, so thank you. I can't remember what it means, but I lived in the Middle East for a little bit, so I picked up a tiny bit.
Amazing. So you guys being from there, you must know a few different languages, right?
Yeah, we're learning Māori, but we know fluent Arabic.
Amazing.
Wow.
And obviously English as well. That is so cool. So you're learning Te Reo Māori. That must be amazing. What do you love about learning it?
We love learning Te Reo Māori is because it's New Zealand is Aotearoa, and it's a Māori land, so that's why we like learning Māori. And we have to respect the tangata whenua by learning its language and culture. So
Can't aware. That is really awesome to hear. And you learn by playing games and things like that. So what's a game that you could teach us?
we can teach you guys papers and rocks and Māori if you want.
Yeah, we would love.
Please.
We
I
would
love
love.
that.
So let's start with the kupu.
Yeah. So the kupu for papers and rocks and Māori is Pepa Kuti Kuti Ko Hatu. Pepa Kuti Kuti Ko Hatu.
Okay, so
amazing.
paper, kuti, scissors, kohatu, rock. Do you want to face each other? Have a game, see who will win. A quick one. Yeah, you could do it. Okay, go.
Pepa Kuti Kuti Ko Hatu.
Nice one, Farouk. Now, before we leave you guys, I hear you have a bit of a story that you want to tell as well. So take it away, my friends.
When we used to live in Hamilton with my family, we used to always go see the hot air balloons, and the hot air balloon needs fire to make it big and go beautifully in the sky. So think of the hot air balloon as New Zealand and the fire as Te Reo Māori. So obviously without the fire, the hot air balloon will be flat. And in the same way, without having strong Te Reo Māori, we can't make New Zealand a big and beautiful and complete country. We need Te Reo Māori to make it complete and beautiful.
Oh, what
Isn't that
an
the most
amazing
beautiful
story.
Aotearoa. Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
thank you so much for sharing that, team. It has been so beautiful talking to you, and I think we're going to take that story with us forever, aren't we?
Yes. Mo ake toru atu, forever.
Ka kite. Thank you so much.
Ka kite.
Tēnā koutou. Oh,
Okay, I'm thinking
beautiful.
quick game of...
Okay.
Oh, wait, what about loser introduces next item?
Okay, go.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Peppa,
Peppa,
Okay.
It's Billy
I'll
Bob,
do it.
by the way. It's
Okay,
Billy
Billy
Bob.
Boss? Okay. Excuse me,